in Air Force Academy, um, especially in the weekend, was always tough because the seniors they used to accumulate all the couplas that we used to do throughout the week, and the payback time is on the weekend. Besides that, there is also domestic morning. We had to clean our room, toilets. There was an inspection on Sunday after the parade. So those were a little tough, but then obviously that gives a good culture, good learning for us. It remains inside our blood, so that we always remain clean. We keep our thing tidy. Apart from that, if there is any competition, then there is to be a party, Muri Chanachur party, and there's a very legendary parties where uh, we get the pass to make fun with our seniors. That's the only time we can do, and they cannot take back this thing in future. Uh, Me and Nazmul, we two are very good friends. We used to make a lot of parody songs. I think I have like 11 songs for it's a parody songs, and obviously those are all vulgars, bad songs, good songs converted to bad one, and obviously pull down someone's pant, no doubt on that. When we became little senior, like we came to see a second term and we got our junior, we can regiment them. So obviously that's the time I started feeling like, yeah, this Air Force Academy belongs to me. And obviously it's not only my feelings, it's the feelings of all. And then gradually we grow up. I do remember in second term I had tremendous tough time for my juniors, my immediate juniors. Because of their khapla, I used to get a lot of restrictions. They did something wrong in the inspections, I get the punishment. They didn't come in time, I get the punishment. It's not only me, my other coursements also they used to get. But that gives a belongingness about them. Third term, when I became the leading flight cadet, is an appointment. That time I started feeling good. Yeah, whatever the pain I have taken so far, that makes sense. Uh, it was very colorful time, especially in the third term, because you became a prefect. At the same time, you became medium senior, and then people started respecting yourself in the academy. There are two courses junior behind you, and then even the seniors, if they want to talk to me, they don't talk to me in front of my juniors. They call me separately, and then that was a good respect, right? At the end of third term, basically, we started reading the checklist and dash one because we are going to start the flying on fourth term. When you started the flying on the fourth term, that was fine. Um, that's added responsibilities, and I got a very good instructor at the beginning of my flying career. It was Squadron Leader Shahid. He retired. Now he is in California. Um, he taught me so well. Later, I got Squadron Leader Tohid Lashkar. He was also a very good instructor. And then I appeared for the solo. I really couldn't make the solo the first time, and second time I made it on the third time. Uh, there were some issues with the approach, but on the third time I did it with Wing Commander Naim. Later he was a Air Marshal Naim, and he just taught me one technique, approach. In approach, I did it, and I still do remember that solo day because I did, I think, four circuit, came back, and then he said that, okay, just go for solo. I said, sorry, I'll go. Yeah, go for solo. So I was standing on the. I went out with my solo aircraft, and then did my first flight through. Then Logo. During Logo, the rain started, and while doing the So there's drizzling rain, and obviously my solo instructor and also he was the OC flying. He was standing in the mobile. My instructor Tohid Lashkar, he was also standing in the mobile, and they were really afraid because of the rain. I'm just a lonely pilot, very initial stage, only flown 15 hours, whether I can make it or not. So when I did my approach, there was a lot of rain, and then my instructor asked me that, can you land? I said, yes, sir. And I came, I landed. That was perfect landing. And then in RT they gave a call. Yeah, that was a very good landing. Rakib, congratulations. Well, that at that time my name was Mahmoud, not Rakib. Later my name changed to Rakib. But that was one of the most beautiful and wonderful achievement that I had at that time.